Ayan, nakuha niya number 8. Pass to Ponce. Ponce! Rebound. Hoy! Ano ba ang same ball? Pass to number 13. Camila Andres. Rebound ng kanyang teammate. Ayan, nakuha niya number 18. Pass to number 27. Number 27. Sila. Hoy! Number 27, pass to his teammate. Number 18, 10-second shot clock. Number 15, number 45, no. Rebound, nakanin nila. Okay, number 18, pass to number 8, Velasco. Yes, 2 points. Ayan, number 27, pass to number 45, break. Ayan, pass to number 8, Rizal. Pass to number 2, 10-second shot. Oy! 3 seconds, violation. Number 27, Zamora. Pass to number 8, Velasco, fadeaway jumper, no. Rebound. Okay, number 39. Pass to number 45. Number 45. Number 13, number 13. There's a foul. Yes, number 2 para sa 3-0 official score. Number 17. 19 or 17 pass, number 18 pass, number 2 Hoy, Bubulas. Number 18 pass, Rodriguez. Rodriguez! Tinilang sa Bebela. 17. Oh, Hurigado. Nakuha number 8 pass to number 18. Nakalala. Kasi, number 8, number 8. Yes, 2 points. Official score 5-0. Number 27, Camila Andres. No good. Rebound number 1. Oy, there's a foul. Okay, pass to Zamora. Number 27, 3. Yes, sir! 3 points. 27. Pass to number 13. Makakabisloop na lang. Wala pa eh, kabali. Zamora. Number 18, pass to number 13, Dave. Pull-up jumper, pass sa pala. Wow, 2 points. First basket of the day para sa mga tagaganda. Pass to number 27, pass to number 8, pass to number 27, pass to number 1, pull-up jumper. Let's go, 2 points. Number 27 pa rin yan, oy! Number 27, pass to his teammate. Camila Andres, and Morales.
Lalapos.
Pass number 27, Dave. Number 27, pull-up jumper. Yes! 2 points. Ayan na, pinakaman namin. Number 8. Velasco. Number 8. Number 8 na yan. Pass to his teammate Rodriguez. Camila Andres. Nugget. Rebound. Oy! Sakay na. Number 27. Number 27, Marina. Number 27, pass to number 38, Russell. Number 27, Marina.
Go.
Number 11. 10-second shot clock. Ayan, nakala ni Ponce. Pass to Zamora. Wow. Number 27. Oh, I cross over the ball ngayon. Pass to number 8. Wow. Number 8, pass to his teammate, number 45. Pass to Zamora, Camila Andres. Number 8, crossover. Oh, one step. Wala. Oy, nakanin yan. Molina, pass to Zamora. Pass to. Wow, pass to number 8. Sabay. Number 27 pa rin. Number 27 pumps. Scores, go. Rebound, number 37. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 27. Pass to Molina. Pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound tayo ng mga taga-GA. 10 seconds. Shot clock. Number 27. Oy. Same ball, 7 seconds to shoot. Same ball, 7 seconds to shoot. Here. Nakalimutan ang lead naman. Nakalimutan ang 7. Openya. Openya. Oh, there's a foul. Wala pa rin. 0 out of 2 Barso. Okay, Velasco. Para sa Malina. Pull-up jumper. Yes. 2 points. Number 45. Pass number 27. Camila Natres. 3 points. Pass number 40. Pass number 8. Pass number 27. Number 27. Nakabita mo na. Tawagan. Number 27. Number 27. Oh. Kanina na kay number 27. Time remaining 1 minute and 45. Camila Natres. Nugget. Rebound na naman ng GK. Number 8, Velasco. Number 8, Velasco. That's the ball. 2 points. Nice shot. Number 27, pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound na naman ng Tape. Zero, 13 seconds to shoot. 10 second shot ka. Tumira, wala. Rebound niya naman ng Gotti. Time remaining 40 seconds. Ball! Setting the play. Pass to number 14. Pass number 8. Pass to number 9. Wow, finally, 23 seconds. Wala naman tayo. Shot clock. Number 27.